The United States has planned to immediately deploy the vaccine raw materials to India along with other medical assistance. The decision came soon after a call on April 25th between the National Security Advisors of India and the United States, Ajit Doval and Jake Sullivan. The two sides affirmed America's solidarity with India and recounted the battles the two countries have fought together against smallpox, polio, and HIV. The US has identified sources of specific raw materials which are urgently required by the Serum Institute of India. The SII is producing the Oxford AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine Covishield. The decision was taken after mounting pressure on Biden administration for not doing enough about the situation in India. There was massive outrage in India as well as in the US. The Indian American lawmakers were outraged over the US's dithering on providing critical supplies at a time when India is facing one of the worst crises in recent time due to the second wave of coronavirus. To help treat COVID-19 patients and protect frontline health workers in India, the United States has identified supplies of therapeutics, rapid diagnostic test kits, ventilators, and personal protective equipment that will immediately be made available for India. The United States is also pursuing options to provide oxygen generation and related supplies on an urgent basis. Over the last month, Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla sent out many tweets to US President Joe Biden requesting him to allow the export of raw materials required for the production of COVID-19 vaccines to India. In fact, a few days back, the US defended restrictions on the export of key raw materials for the manufacture of the COVID-19 vaccine to India. When asked when the Biden administration would decide on India's request to lift a ban on the export of vaccine raw materials, State Department spokesperson Ned Price said, "The United Nations first and foremost is engaged in an ambitious and effective and so far successful effort to vaccinate the American people." The US on February 5 this year had invoked the Defense Production Act. This was invoked with an aim to increase the supply of materials needed to make vaccines, COVID-19 tests, and PPEs within the country. The latest development is a welcome step for the global community. Serum Institute is also a part of COVAX program. COVAX is backed by WHO and the International Vaccine Alliance, Gavi. COVAX ensures equitable distribution of COVID vaccines globally. It's key to vaccinating the world's poorest people and ending the pandemic. Gavi buys the vaccine and works to increase access to immunization in poor countries.